Let's go! 5 years in the making. I just had to tell it off. MX-5, MX-5, MX-5! Hey Volvo. Sad. That's going in the video as well. He is running meth. We love what we do.
Hello world and welcome back to Accelerate.
And welcome to TeamPH! Let's go!
We're here today at Combe Circuit for JDM Combe on this beautiful October day.
I can't believe it. I mean, the sun is blinding us.
That's
In the middle of
right,
October. We've actually taken the hoodie off as well.
Yeah.
You join us on TeamPH's stand, and I want to say a massive shout out to TeamPH because what a stand they've got. First of all, what a club. Awesome bunch of guys and girls. Yeah, well, we're here now. I think we should have to take a look at what we're on.
Yeah, let's go see what's going on.
Let's have a look. Now we come to Combe a lot, and I always say, especially when there's a sort of genre-specific one, like we've got a Japanese car, it's hard to stand out, but we're going to try our best to pick out some special ones for you. And come on, one of the first ones we have to come to.
Ian's RX-7.
Ian's amazing RX-7. This has been 5 years in the making. I believe, we'll have to double check with him, this is its first proper outing. And he has been working his buttocks off for this, and I think you guys will agree this thing is absolutely unreal. And stay tuned for this because we're going to see this a lot closer soon. As soon as Ian is happy with it, we'll be getting this thing out on the road.
It's actually running an SR20.
Sorry, I had to stop for this. So this is basically the 8 version of yours.
7's still better looking.
Ooh, shots fired. In fairness, it wouldn't be a Japanese car meet without a Supra. And
Who doesn't love a Supra?
Yeah. Well, I gotta say, it's really nice to see what looks like a standard one. The colour is absolutely stunning. That colour, I rate that. So this is why we love what we do here at JDM Combe, and one of our subscribers actually approached us as we were stood by the Evo. Turns out the gentleman has got an Evo himself. So massive thanks to Lee for coming up, saying hello and letting us having a good look around the Evo. So
this is the one I wanted.
Yeah, this may be a bit bittersweet for you, but yeah, this is what Kenny was looking for originally before he settled on the 7.
Yeah.
Look at this.
I love it. I still think they're the most aggressive looking Evo that you can buy.
I mean, they just don't. I'm gonna sound old now, but they don't make them like this anymore.
Like, and what the 5, obviously with the bigger fog lights, the 6 has got smaller. I just think the 6 looks a little bit of a toned down version of the 5.
Yeah.
So
I mean, look at that.
I think the 5 is just super aggressive.
And what Lee's done to it, I mean, he was telling us off camera, 12 years he's had this thing.
That's dedication, isn't it?
Yes.
I can't even stay in a relationship for 12 days, man.
Especially with his cars.
Yeah.
Forgot to add as well, he is running meth. Lee, sorry to bother you, what sort of power do you reckon he's pushing?
It's built for 6,
right,
but we're somewhere in the 5s.
Wow.
But it's not finished yet. We have got.
Sorry to catch you while you're eating, but I just need to know these things.
We've got to get the ECU done.
Yeah.
Put a link on it.
Yeah.
And then we'll get it all set up.
12 years, eh? 12 years in the making.
Yeah.
So much respect for builds like this, and it's so nice to see such a good example of one. Yeah, I reckon Kenny should have bought a 6 personally.
Not a 6, a 5.
5? I just had to tell it off. I clearly don't know why anything up to 7 onwards I know, but anything below that I haven't got a clue. I'm glad you know your stuff.
Yeah, it's a 5.
Sorry, Lee. God, we're lucky. Lee is gonna we're gonna get a nice cold start for you guys. Yes. You cannot beat a cammed idle. I mean, listen to this thing.
Those of you who watch our channel obviously recognise this one.
I want to say the video we did wasn't the best weather, but as you can see on a day like today,
Oh, the colour is really
pops.
popping. Yeah, I'm metallic. Another member of TeamPH on Show and Shine.
UJ did encourage us to say, he made a point to say, come and see this DC5, and it doesn't disappoint. My God, this thing's clean.
What's under the bonnet?
Oh yes.
Come with.
I always respect cars that are built to that performance that are this clean. How the hell they keep them that clean, I don't know.
You're gonna get your paint polished.
I know. Oh, I'm getting out of here. That's going in the video as well.
Now Kenny and I are no strangers to S2000s. Kenny's owned a couple and we even got to experience Dan's individual throttle-bodied example. But what we've got here is another special one. This is Ross's HKS supercharged S2000. Stay tuned for this one because we're going to get up close and personal. Ross is going to take us out for a drive, but in the meantime, enjoy some launch control.
This is a throwback for those that know Kenny. This was one of your first cars, was it?
Actually, my second.
What?
This, not this one.
Yeah, obviously
mine
not
was
this
red.
one, but yeah. Always had a soft. This is one of the cars that I remember you for. Like one of my first memories of you from having a CRX.
I loved my
Since
CRX.
then, yeah. So it's got to be done.
I was gonna say, really.
For the Citybug owners, representing.
Yeah, man.
You know a car's cool when you don't even know what the hell it is. What is it?
I don't know.
It's supposed to be a car channel, but yeah, I don't know what this is. We featured one of these.
Not quite
Oh,
like
there we
this.
are, yeah.
Not quite like this. Stafford. Better than yours. It's not as ugly.
I've been told I got to limit the amount of MX-5 I featured, so I do get carried away.
Fest.
But let's quick. There's one there. There's one there, and I'm sure we'll come across plenty more.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh, it's mad. Every car we walk past, I think, oh, we can say something about that. This is one of the cars that I was drooling over. Jamie Gilbert's Civic EG. Bit of me, and then right next to it, of course, Dan Gilbert's Evo. Oh, yes. These cars really hold a special place in my heart. I've owned a couple of these and I wish I never sold them because once again, the prices on these are going up as well. Not only is this a cool car, it's got the greatest initials in the world. Yes. Sorry, I had to throw that in.
Sad.
So coming to you live from Jaffest, we have a Volvo. Mark, I'm doing this just for you. So you better be watching, even I appreciate this one. I've seen this a few times before, and as you can see when the light hits it, don't know if that would give you a headache after a while.
You need to get a wing on it like that.
Oh yeah, that's the type of thing I am going to go for. There's another one that I think are always forgotten about and underappreciated.
They're a cool motor.
And
they really are.
And they're getting rare.
Yeah.
Rarer than an Evo. These are still cars that wow me, like no matter what guys are in. I mean, you've got a pretty much standard one there, right over to highly modified. And I don't know about you, but
I do like
they
them, I just
still
don't like
do.
the engines.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's up for debate definitely, but look at them. And the driving experience they give as well, it is that old school, small, light sports car. And
It's still
that's,
got presence about it.
yeah, I mean, look at that.
You drive down the road in that, you know, it's going to get...
Yeah.
Everyone's going to look at it.
That's a bit of me. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So we've just come back to this Galant, and I'll be honest, I just realised, I didn't notice at first, twin turbo as well. This thing just continues to wow me. It's also a little bit something, also something a bit special on the inside as well. Look at that. I love the fact that for those, a lot of people don't know what these are, but the ones that do, they're the ones you want to talk to. Yeah, there's too much chrome for me anyways. Too fast, too furious.
I'm trying to work on that.
Yeah, they are an absolute nightmare to work at. You know, I wouldn't even know where to start.
It's a lot of engine.
Kudos to the owner for keeping it that clean, because that's impressive.
That's mint.
Okay, I know I said I wouldn't do it, but MX5, 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 MX5. Another one that should be familiar to you guys, Lloyd's S15. I still love this thing, one of the best rides of my life in this thing.
Whoa, dodgy.
Yeah, best drives, okay. Big shout out to David Rees, our competition. Oh, no, he didn't win a competition, did he?
But he thought he did.
Yeah, he thought he did. Anyway, massive shout out to David Rees. Hoping we get to see this thing on track later, because I just want to hear this thing scream. We do love cars that are different, wacky wraps and all that, and that's definitely the case with Sam's EP3. When the sun hits this thing, it's mad, isn't it?
It's insane. It looks like oil, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. And speaking of mad colours, stumbled across another one of our subscribers' cars. See, the more we walk around, the more we come across. But this is a really nice example. Again, to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of them, but this is a good example of an FN2.
This is Andrew's absolutely lovely black on black Evo 8.
Oh, one thing I was thinking, carbon on black doesn't usually stand out as much, but what he's done with this is, whoa,
It's subtle,
like,
but
yeah,
it does stand out, doesn't it?
yeah.
It does pop. And also next to that, I've got Gethin's Evo 8 in white.
And you tell me not to film much MX5s, get off the camera.
The difference is Evos are cool.
Now, as we all know, I'm a Honda guy through and through, and I've always had a soft spot for the Accord. So, Kieran, hey man, you're YouTube famous. Stephen, seeing this thing out on track made my day. I'm really impressed with that.
Alright.
Kenny's doing this thing for the community. That was JDM Combe.
Yeah, what a
What a
day.
day, yeah. God, it takes it out of you.
Met some great people.
Yeah, gotta say, first of all, the feeling, we've been walking around, the amount of subscribers, supporters who just collared us, it's so nice to meet you guys. Like I said, it's nice to see that you guys are approaching us now just to come and say hello.
Yeah, we are approachable, so anybody who does just come and see us.
Yeah.
It's great to chat.
And we've had a couple who want to show off their cars to us, so as you know, like, we are all about that. Obviously the next thing, TeamPH. I mean, I gotta say, I'm not just saying because we're here, but such a well-organized club.
Yeah.
A massive shout out, honestly, you guys are, you guys know what you're doing, so massive respect for that.
And thanks for making us feel welcome
And
too.
genuine thank you, nice to meet you all, and yeah, so welcoming. So honestly, what a club.
Yeah, and what a day.
And yeah, before we ramble too much, I think we'll call it a day there. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.